Hello guys, welcome to Ihtesham. It's a Python course for beginners. So today it's project number 2 and we're going to make a rock, paper and scissors game. Here are the rules, 3 moves. We have 3 moves, a rock, a paper and a scissor. Whenever there is a rock and a scissor, a rock wins. A rock with a paper wins, and a scissor with a paper, a scissor wins. So let's code it in Python. So first of all, we have to import the library, import random. Now let's create an item list where all of our moves will be saved, like rock, paper and scissor. Now we will say that user choice equals to input, and here enter your move. Here we'll copy all of this stuff. Okay, and okay, so now we'll add a dot lower here, that no problem if the user types something capitalized, it will make it lower. Now we will have computer choice. So computer choice equals to random dot choice of item list. And now the first condition is the same types. For example, rock with a rock, paper with a paper, or scissor with a scissor. So if user choice equals computer choice, print both chooses the same, it is a tie. Okay, now let's code the rock. So if user choice equals rock, then, and if computer choice is paper, so print, we'll print at this time. Okay, so whenever there's a competition between the rock and paper, then paper wins. It means that paper covers rock, so we'll say that computer win. Okay, and an else statement, that for example, if any let's change it to elif. Okay, now an else statement, for example, whenever there is a scissor with a rock, we will print a scissor with a rock, then we'll print rock smashes with scissor, and you win. And if user choice equals a paper, and if computer choice is a rock, so we will print. Okay, there is a competition between paper and rock, so paper and rock, so paper wins. It means paper covers rock, and you win. The same. And else, if there is a paper and a scissor, then we'll say print scissor cuts paper, and computer win. And for the next statements is also the same. We will copy and paste. We will change this paper to a scissor, and if there is a scissor and a rock, then who wins? Rock wins. So it means you win, and you will say rock smashes what? Rock smashes scissor, so you win. Otherwise, else scissor cuts paper, correct, and computer wins. No, so here rock, so not rock, here it is computer wins, and here is you win. So now let's check it. Okay, so let's go with a rock. Okay, both chooses the same, it's tie. So we have forgotten one thing here. After generating, we will say print if and you choose user choice and computer choose. Okay, so now it will be great. Let's go with a rock. So you choose rock and computer choose scissor. Rock smashes scissor and you win. Okay, let's go with a paper and paper with rock, so paper covers rock, you win. And let's go with a scissor. Okay, you choose scissor and computer choose scissor, both are the same and it's a tie. You can program a rock paper scissor in Python. Subscribe to my channel by Ihtesham, and I will upload a next video, so be waiting to the next video.